kids? You want some luck?
Draw a ladybug with us.
All right, Landon. First step is to draw a circle. Nice and big, right in the middle of your page. It can be a little ovalish. If it is, that's okay. Nice. Good job. Now, off of the top of the oval, you're going to put another oval, like half of an oval. Or half of a circle, I should say. Now, Landon, ours aren't exactly the same, are they?
No.
At Craft Kids TV, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
fun, that's right. All right, so this is going to be the head, this is going to be the body. We're going to split, we're going to actually make it look like the wings are just about to come open, so there's going to be a slight gap. So we're going to draw one line like this, and then we're going to draw another line right next to it that shows a little bit of a split, like the ladybug is about to open its wings.
So
Now, could we just draw a straight line? Yes, but we're trying to make it a little interesting. Just show a little bit of a gap, doesn't have to be much. Beautiful. Now that gap is all going to be colored in black because underneath the wings is a black body. And this Sharpie is not working for me.
this is our third drawing from the new studio.
That's right, this is our third drawing from this new studio and we absolutely love it. If you still have not seen the full time-lapse video of this build, the studio build, check it out on our other channel, Dad Builds 0.2. Okay, next, we're gonna draw some legs. How many legs do insects have?
6.
That's right, 6. So we're gonna draw 6. We're gonna make these nice and easy. Little curvy legs, 3 on each side. Cool. Every insect has antennae, right?
Mm-hmm.
1 little dot, 2 with a little dot. Things are coming along nicely. We could put little feet on these, but
Do you want to?
yeah, let's just do little ones. Just little tiny lines indicating feet, little small feet. Okay, now every ladybug has what? Well, I shouldn't say everyone. I've seen a spotless ladybug before, but every ladybug needs spots, right? Put as many spots as you want, or as few spots as you want. Make some big ones, make some small ones. Go. Nice job. Now there's a few things left to do. Well, actually, there's 2 things left to do. Thicken this up, any lines that need to be thickened, and color it in. So we're going to use red or like a reddish orange for the body, black for the spots. We're going to color the head in black, and we're going to be well on our way to having these done. We're going to fast forward and we'll show you what you got.
All right.
One, 2, 3.
Lady luck.
We drew these ladybugs. Did you have fun, Landon?
Yeah.
Yeah, they came out pretty cool. Nice beginner level ladybugs, and you know what they say about ladybugs? If they land on you, however many spots they have, that's how many
Days of good luck you'll get.
That's right. Ladybugs are super cool. I don't know if you believe in that sort of thing, but ever since I was a kid, I thought that was pretty cool. So, keep drawing, stay awesome. See you in the next video.